danger. Mark's Giant Grow, the new Michigan label, says maximum dose is 1 teaspoon per gallon. We will not be doing that on our plants unless you're going out of town for 10 days and you want to give them a fertilization that'll last 10 days, then do the 1 teaspoon per gallon on your way out the door. Other than that, it is best to stick with the trickle feed. We recommend trickle feeding for all plants. All right, please, and you shouldn't be, these young plants shouldn't be getting watered every single day unless you're in the 80s and you've got some great temperatures going, 60s at night, 80s in the daytime. Then yes, you might be watering every day. But the younger plants, if you're still cool and cloudy, you might be watering and feeding them every 3 days. The most common problem with watering is people over water their plants. If you look here, my soil here is dry looking on the surface. This is just out 3 or 4 feet. Now, if I go like this and get down there 3 or 4 inches, I have moisture. It sticks together. That is sufficient for the plants. All right, I'm keeping a close eye on this. I'll probably water it later today, but it doesn't need to be watered right now, even though the soil looks dry. That's a good thing. What I would like to do is water some on the leaves to ignite some root ignition at the stalk and base of the leaf. That would be a good light watering to trigger root growth at the base of the leaf stalk. Other than that, heavy watering, not needed here. All right, post any questions below.